What if everything we thought we knew about internal combustion engines could be improved with just two extra strokes? Porsche has recently patented a fascinating new engine design known as the six-stroke engine. Unlike conventional four-stroke engines that operate through intake, compression, power, and exhaust strokes, Porsche's revolutionary concept adds two additional strokes, creating a unique cycle that could potentially increase efficiency and power output. At first glance, it may sound like a simple modification, but the engineering behind it is remarkably innovative. The engine combines characteristics of both two-stroke and four-stroke designs while introducing a completely new crankshaft arrangement. It features two top dead centers, two bottom dead centers, and a planetary gear system that allows the piston to move in a way no traditional engine can. The cycle begins just like a normal four-stroke engine. During the intake stroke, the intake valve opens and a fresh air-fuel mixture flows into the cylinder. Next comes the compression stroke, where the piston moves upward, compressing the mixture into a highly combustible state. As the piston reaches top dead center, the spark plug ignites the compressed mixture. The resulting combustion creates the first power stroke, forcing the piston downward and generating mechanical energy. This is where things become truly interesting. Instead of immediately transitioning to the exhaust phase like a conventional engine, the piston continues moving downward beyond the first bottom dead center. As it does, specially designed intake ports are uncovered while the exhaust valve opens simultaneously. Fresh air-fuel mixture rushes into the cylinder, pushing the remaining exhaust gases out in a process known as scavenging. This process is commonly associated with two-stroke engines and helps prepare the cylinder for another combustion event. The piston then moves upward once more, sealing the intake ports and compressing the newly introduced mixture. When it reaches top dead center for the second time, another spark ignites the mixture. This creates a second power stroke. In other words, the engine generates two separate power-producing combustion events during a single operating cycle. This is the key innovation that makes Porsche's six-stroke concept so intriguing. After the second combustion, the piston moves downward again while the exhaust valve opens to expel the remaining burned gases. Once the piston reaches the second bottom dead center, the exhaust valve closes, the intake valve opens, and the entire process begins again. The potential advantages are significant. By extracting more useful energy from each cycle, the engine could theoretically achieve higher efficiency and improve performance compared to conventional designs. However, as with many groundbreaking inventions, practical challenges remain, and it is still uncertain whether this technology will ever reach mass production. Even so, the Porsche six-stroke engine serves as a reminder that innovation in internal combustion technology is far from over. In a world rapidly moving toward electrification, engineers continue to find creative ways to push the limits of traditional engines.